For today's video, I will show you how to make this beaded bracelet. Very simple to make and very cute to wear. So let's start. So our materials are 6mm of pearl beads, 8/0 Miyuki ivory seed beads, Miyuki 11/0 gold seed beads, clasp, chain, beading needle, and also beading nylon thread. 0.20mm of our beading nylon thread. So let's start. I will pick 2 11/0 clasp and 3 seed beads. So I will put it down and we will make the loop part. Like this. So we are exiting from here, and I will pass the needle here. Like this. And the next is I will pick 3 11/0, 4 8/0, pull it down, and pass the needle, go back here to the first 8/0, and it will be like this. And I will make it again once more. 3 11/0, 4 8/0, pull it down, and go back again to this 8/0. Give it some pull like this. And I will pick again 3 11/0, 4 8/0, pull it down, and go back to the first 8/0 again, like this. So it will be like this. And the next is I will pick 3 only of 11/0. So we are the last is we are exiting here to this. Oh, I'm sorry. Pull it down. So we are going to pass the needle here. And pull the thread. So it will be like this. So I will go up here and I will pass the needle to this seed bead. And then go here and I will go here and then to this 8/0 seed bead. Like this. So I will cut the tail thread because I will do the first process, first combination again, 3, 11 0, 4, 8 0, and go back here to the first 8 0, pull the thread, this, and then make it again once more, 1, 2, 3, 11 0, 4 8 0, and go back here to the first 8 0, so it will be like this, and I will make it once again, 3 8 0, 3 11 0, sorry, and 4 8 0. Go back this first 8 0 and pass the needle like this, and 3 11 0 and pass the needle, go back here to this 8 0, and we will make the circle like this. So I will go up here and I will pass the needle to this here, and up here, and pass the needle to this 2 8 0. One, and pick the next is I will pick 4 6mm of pearl beads, pull it down, and pass the needle to the opposite side of our working thread, and pull the thread like this, pass the needle here, this, and pick 1 8 0, pass to the next pearl bead, pick again 1 8 0, and pass the needle to the next pearl bead, and pick again 1 8 0, and pass the needle to the next pearl bead and seed bead, like this, and pass the needle to this pearl bead and 8 0. So it will be like this. And the next is I will pick 3 8 0 and go back here. We are exiting from here, and I will go back to this 8 0 and pass the needle to these pearl beads and 8 0. Pull the thread, and it will be like this. Pick 3 8 0, so we are exiting here, and I will go back to the 8 0, pass the needle to this pearl bead in 8 0, and I will repeat this until we reach until we finish it, and until we finish here to this side, and then pass the needle to 8 0 again, pearl beads and 8 0. and make the other unit with the same method. So I'll be back and I will do the other units. So this is our bracelet for today. I hope you like it, and see you on my next video. Bye.